Eighting times 1 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. 18 times 3 is 54. 18 times 4 is 72. 18 times 5 is 90. 18 times 6 is 108. 18 times 7 is 25. 18 times 8 is 144. 18 times 9 is 132. 18 times 10 is 180. Let's repeat again.
18 times 4 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. 18 times 3 is 54. 18 times 4 is 72. 18 times 5 is 90. 18 times 6 is 106.